Alright friends, so this is what is going on this morning. I cut all this down with the Ryobi pole saw on one battery charge. Did a bunch of trims up there. And the cool thing is, did some horse trading for, I finally got to be able to use now a double bit. Remember that double bit? My neighbor said, hey, try this. Well, we did some horse trading. Of course, she can use it whenever she wants to, but at least now I can use it whenever I want to.
It'll be hanging on your wall.
It'll be hanging, it'll be doing something. But that's cool because a double bit, I've always wanted to be able to use a double bit whenever. So now that worked out. So the Ryobi on one battery charge. One battery, this battery right here, it's a small one. Here's the 1.3 amp. Trimmed all of this. And that's black walnut, right? Black walnut. Did all that on one battery charge. So the tool works. And luckily it did it all on one battery charge, because then it'd take a little bit to charge it, and it's getting hot. What's the temperature right now?
Hot.
It's hot. All right, so there you go. Horse trading for the double bit. And hey, walk in. I know you're into axes, dude. Does anyone know?
That's an antique.
It's an antique. Does anyone know what axe this is? These are the initials or engravings. So does anyone know? Put it down in the comments. All right, appreciate it. Thanks a lot, you guys.